Alright, hello my Math 7 students. This is Ed Puzzle number 5, which is going to be connected to homework number 5. So make sure you have a piece of paper out with you and you are copying down the homework as we go along. Make sure you have the right title and your name, date, and period just like we would do in class. Because when I collect homework on Friday, I will take away points if you do not have that information. So as I'm doing this Ed Puzzle, you're going to follow along and do these problems with me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So I quickly wanted to review how to find the area of a trapezoid before the quiz tomorrow. So let's remember that our formula is area equals 0.5 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. And here are the steps we're going to use when finding the area of a trapezoid. So step 1, write the formula. Step 2, identify base 1, base 2, and the height. Step 3, we're going to substitute all the values in the formula. Step 4, we're going to add first, then multiply, and then step 5, don't forget to label. Okay, so let's look at number 1. So here we go. Example number 1, step 1, write down the formula, which I did. A equals 0.5 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Step 2, we need to identify base 1, base 2, and the height. So here we go. This is going to be base 1, 6 inches. Base 2 is going to be 12 inches, and our height is 8 inches. Alright, so let's go ahead and apply step 3, which is to substitute the given values into the formula. So I have 0.5 times base 1. So we have base 1, which is 6 inches. Base 2, we said was 12 inches. And our height, which is 8 inches. Step 4 is to add first. So I'm going to add first. 6 inches plus 12 inches gives me 18 inches. Then I bring the rest of the formula down. Then I multiply. So what's 18 inches times 8 inches? Well, that's going to be 144 inches squared. Don't forget to bring down your 0.5. And the last thing we need to do is what's 0.5 times 144 inches squared. That's going to give you 72 inches squared for your final answer. So the area of this trapezoid is 72 inches squared. Alright, let's look at number 2. Step 1, write down the formula, which is area equals 0.5 times base 1 plus base 2 times height. And then step 2, we need to identify base 1, which I'll say is 3.6 centimeters. I need to identify base 2, which is 8.6 centimeters. And our height is 5.2 centimeters. Alright, step 3, plug the given values into the formula. So it's 0.5 times base 1, which is 3.6 centimeters, plus base 2, which is 8.6 centimeters, times our height, which is 5.2 centimeters. And then we're going to move on to number 4, step 4, which is add first. So 3.6 plus 8.6 is going to give me 12.2 centimeters. Then I bring the rest of the formula down, and then I need to multiply. What's 12.2 times 5.2? If you plug that into your calculator, it's going to give you 63.44 centimeters. And the last thing I need to do is what's 0.5 times 63.44 centimeters, squared. We need to put that squared. Don't forget that. My final answer is going to be 31.72 centimeters squared. So that's your answer. The area of this trapezoid is 31.72 centimeters squared. Alright, so let's look at example 3. Step 1 is to write down the formula. So it's area equals 0.5 times base 1 plus base 2 times our height. And then step 2, we need to identify base 1, which is 4 centimeters. Base 2 is going to be 8 centimeters. And our height is going to be 2 centimeters. Step 3 is to substitute those given values into the formula. So we have 0.5 times base 1, which is 4 centimeters, plus base 2, which is 8 centimeters, times our height, which is 2 centimeters. And then we have step 4, which we need to add first. So 4 centimeters plus 8 centimeters gives us 12 centimeters. Then we need to bring the rest of the formula down, times 2 centimeters times 0.5. Don't forget to bring it all down. Then we multiply, so it's 12 times 2 centimeters. That's going to give us 24 centimeters squared. Don't forget our squared. And then the last thing, what's 0.5 times 24 centimeters squared? It's going to give us area equals 12 centimeters squared. So the area of our trapezoid is area equals 12 centimeters squared. So for homework, I need you to do problems 4 through 6. The problems I just did are very similar to the homework, so please use those as a resource to help you. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you. But hopefully this helped you get ready for tomorrow's quiz. And don't forget, for the quiz, 60% of your grade is just showing your work. So I'm going to say, hey, I need to see work on these problems, and you need to do that. That's 60% of your grade, and then the grade you get on the quiz will just help increase your grade. If you have any questions, please let me know. Miss Turner.